Hey everyone, this is lesson 2, session 1. In this lesson, we will learn strategies for adding numbers. Make sure you use what you know that you have learned before to solve these problems. So for this first problem, we're going to read it aloud, and then we will be answering the question, what is the problem about? So think about that as I read the problem to you. Rodney has 147 songs on his MP3 player. Elaine has 212 songs on her MP3 player. How many songs do Rodney and Elaine have in all? Pause the video here, think about what the problem is about, and then unpause the video once you are ready. Okay, so you should have answered the problem is about Elaine and Rodney and how many songs they have on their MP3 player, or something along those lines. The next question is, what is the question being asked? This time, let's read the question together. I'll move my cursor so that we can read the words at the same time. Rodney has 147 songs on his MP3 player. Elaine has 212 songs on her MP3 player. How many songs do Rodney and Elaine have in all? Pause the video and think about what is the question being asked. Unpause the video when you have an answer. Okay, you should have been thinking about the answer to what is the question being asked? The question being asked is how many songs do Rodney and Elaine have in all? Okay, we are going to read the problem a third time, and this time you need to be thinking about what is the important information. Let's read it together again. Rodney has 147 songs on his MP3 player. Elaine has 212 songs on her MP3 player. How many songs do Rodney and Elaine have in all? Think about what the important information is. Pause the video and come back, unpause the video when you have an answer. Okay. Important information that you should have thought about is that there are 147 songs Rodney had. Elaine has 212 songs. And it's asking how many songs they have in all, which is telling us that we need to add. Now you are going to try and solve the problem. You are going to need to pause the video and try to solve the problem, then come back and unpause the video when you have found a solution. Welcome back. Okay, hopefully you have a solution to this problem now, and I'm going to show you how I solved the problem. So I started out with 100 base 10 block, 4 10s base 10 blocks, which would equal to 40, counting each by 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. And then I also have 7 singles or ones. Then I needed to add 212. So I have 200 base 10 blocks, 1 10, and 2 ones. I'm going to put these together to determine what the total number is. So now I have 300s, so that is 300. I have 4 510s, so that would be 50. And now instead of 7 ones, I have 9 ones. So my total answer is 359. Hopefully you got the same answer that I did. If you solved this with a different strategy, but you got the same answer, that is okay. It's good to use strategies that you know how to use the best. Go ahead and finish the rest of the problems either in your book or in class kit.